Students, in this video I am going to discuss examples on first A, first B and first C models. So in first A model, let us take this example. A manufacturer has to supply his customers with 600 units of his product per year. So this is the demand. Shortages are not allowed and the storage cost amount to rupees 0.60 per unit per year. This is the storage cost, that means holding cost. Fine. The setup cost per run is rupees 180. Find the optimum run size and minimum average yearly cost. Fine. So suppose considering 1 year as 1 unit of time. So we have C1 holding cost, which is rupees 0.60 per unit per year. Similarly, setup cost is 80. So this is 80. Demand is 600 units per 600 units. Fine, so 600. So now Q star is given by 2C3R by C1 in first A model. So this is first A model because here demand is fixed. These shortages are not allowed. Fine. So here Q star will be this 2C3R by C1. 2 into 80. This is the demand rate. 6. C3 is setup cost. 80 divided by 60. So ultimately this is 400 units. Now optimum value of T is given by T star, which is Q star by R. So 400 divided by 600 is 2 by 3 year. That means 8 months. So minimum average cost is 2C1C3R. Substitute the values. So rupees 240 per year. This is in year. Now if in the second half, find the optimum run size and minimum average yearly cost. If suppose you are ordering year wise, so if that means here we are having the pattern. This 0 to 2.3 year means 8 months. This 2 by 3 year is 8 months. This is one cycle, one production cycle, then second production cycle. But if suppose here you are giving all the orders at a time for the complete year 1 year, then here is the 600, here is R, this time is T. So then what will be the cost? So if he produce all 600 units in the beginning of the year, then the cost will be 80. 80 is the setup cost, and this is considered only here we can see that we are having 2 production cycle here. However, if order is given at a time only 600, so we have only 1 production. So number of production will be 1 plus average inventory, that means average inventory Q by 2. So Q is what, 600, एक ही बार में दे दिया है तो 600. So 600 by 2 into holding cost 0.60. Then we are getting rupees 260. So you can see that if we are following this policy, that means give the order in 8 months, then the cost will be 240. But if you are giving or produced all the units at a time, यहाँ सिर्फ 400 यूनिट का प्रोडक्शन हो रहा है, यहाँ 600 का एक साथ ही कर दिया गया, तो द कॉस्ट विल बी रुपीज 260. सो दिस इज, ये कॉस्टली है जबकि ये सस्ता है. सो वी हैव टू फॉलो दिस पॉलिसी. फाइन. So this is the solution of the first example. Now the second example. Here again we are comparing 1A and 1B models. So here a manufacturer company purchased 9,000 parts of a machine for its annual requirements, ordering 1 month uses at a time. Fine. Each part costs rupees 20. The ordering cost per order is rupees 15 and the carrying charges are 15% of the average inventory per year. Find the economic lot size, time and minimum cost. This is the first part. Now the second part, if the company follow monthly ordering policy, then what will be the effect of the saving? So first we are not following monthly policy, then that means 1A model, then what will be the cost? Then in the second part we are following the 1B model, then what will be the cost, and then we will compare. So here C1 is the holding cost per unit time. So 15% of the average inventory per year. So 15 by 100 into rupees 20. Each part item is 20. So 15 by 20 into 20 is rupees 3 per year per part. C3 is the setup cost, one time cost rupees 50, and R is the demand is 900 parts per year. This is the demand. Fine. This C1 is also per year, R is also per year. So they should be in the same unit. Now the economic lot size Q star 2C3R by C1. Here is model is 1A. Substitute the value 300 units. यानी 300 यूनिट्स का हमें प्रोडक्शन करना चाहिए या ऑर्डर करना चाहिए. Then what will be the optimum time interval? T star is Q star by R. 300 divided by 9,000. So 1 by 30 year. यानी एक साल में हमें 30 ऑर्डर करने चाहिए. 30 orders we have to place in a year. Fine. So now minimum cost per year. Minimum cost per year is root 2C1 C3R. Substitute the values 900. तो 900 रुपीज़ का खर्चा आएगा ओवरऑल. एक साल में 30 ऑर्डर करने हैं और हर ऑर्डर में 300 यूनिट्स मंगानी है. दिस विल बी द टोटल कॉस्ट. अब सेकंड, नाउ इफ द कंपनी फॉलोइंग मंथली ऑर्डर, यानी हर महीने ऑर्डर करें तब एक महीने में उसको कितने ऑर्डर करने पड़ेंगे ये हमें कैलकुलेट करना पड़ेगा. नंबर ऑफ ऑर्डर्स. सो अगर हम करते हैं तो ऑब्वियसली 1 मंथ है तो एक साल के लिए टोटल हम प्लान करें तो 12 ऑर्डर हो गए. सो 15 ऑर्डरिंग कॉस्ट विल बी 15. हर यूनिट में 15 सेटअप, एक बार में 15 रुपये लग रहे हैं तो 12 ऑर्डर हुए तो ये हो गए हमारी सेटअप कॉस्ट. फिर लॉट साइज कितना हुआ 9000 डिवाइडेड बाय 12. तो 750, यानी एक में सिर्फ 750 का हमें करना पड़ेगा. देन एवरेज इन्वेंट्री कितनी होती है Q बाई 2, ये हमें पता है फर्स्ट मॉडल के अकॉर्डिंग. 750 बाई 2 375. सो द जो हमारी होल्डिंग कॉस्ट आएगी वो कितनी आएगी एवरेज इन्वेंट्री इनटू द रेट C1. So 375 into 3, this 3 per year, so 3, so 1125. So 1120, तो total कितना हुआ holding cost plus setup cost. So 180 is the setup cost, holding cost is 1125. So take their sum, so rupees this. This is the total model. This is actually the model number 1B. Fine. So now you will see that दोनों का जो difference आता है वो ये है 405 रुपीज़ का बेनिफिट है इफ़ वी आर नॉट फॉलोइंग मंथली पॉलिसी. अगर हम मंथली पॉलिसी फॉलो ना करें तो 405 रुपीज़ का बेनिफिट है. फाइन. सो दिस इज द मॉडल. नाउ द थर्ड मॉडल इज द 1C मॉडल. एन आइटम इज प्रोड्यूस्ड एट द रेट ऑफ 50 पर आइटम. सो यहाँ प्रोडक्शन रेट गिवन है 50 यानी K की वैल्यू. द डिमांड अकर्स एट द रेट ऑफ 25 आइटम्स. डिमांड की रेट है 25. If the setup cost is rupees 100 per unit setup and holding cost is 0.01 per unit of the per unit item per day, then find the economic lot size for one run, assuming that the shortages are not permitted. Fine. What is K? Production rate is 50 per day. Demand rate is per day 25 items. And here you can see that R is less than K. So no shortages. यानी डिमांड कम है प्रोडक्शन ज़्यादा है तो शॉर्टेज होंगी ही नहीं. C1 इज रुपीज़ 0.10 पर यूनिट टाइम. C3 इज द सेटअप कॉस्ट 100 पर ऑलरेडी गिवन टू यू. सो नाउ द अकॉर्डिंग टू द 1C मॉडल Q स्टार इज गिवन बाय दिस 2C3 बाय C1 RK डिवाइडेड बाय K माइनस R. सब्सटीट्यूट द वैल्यूज. सो 1000 आइटम्स. T स्टार विल बी Q स्टार बाय R. सो 1000 डिवाइडेड बाय 25 इज द रेट. सो 40 डेज यानी 40 डेज का एक प्रोडक्शन रन रहेगा. मिनिमम कॉस्ट इज 2C1 C3R 1 माइनस R बाई K. सब्सटीट्यूट तो ₹5 पर डे का खर्चा है. दिस इज पर डे. सो टोटल कॉस्ट कितनी होगी ₹5.40 ₹200 पर प्रोडक्शन रन का एक खर्चा आ जाता है हमारा. सो दिस इज द मॉडल. फाइन. नाउ इन द नेक्स्ट वीडियो आई एम गोइंग टू डिस्कस द one more example. This sorry in the here I am discussing this model, and in the next video I am going to discuss the next model. So here is the last model, 1C model. A contractor has to supply 10,000 bearings per day to an automobile manufacturer. He finds that when he starts a production run, he can produce 25,000 bearings per day. The cost of holding a bearing in stock for 1 year is rupees 2 paise, 0.02. Fine. And the setup cost of production run is rupees 18. How frequently should production rate run be made? So here K demand, the production is 25,000 bearing per day. Demand is 10,000 per day. Point C1 is 2 paise per bearing per year. Here is the cost of holding of bearing is 1 year. Here is year. However, demand is in per day. So we have to convert this into 12. So that's why 2 divided by 100. Fine. Because 2 paise. So 2 paise in rupees will be 2 by 100 into 1 by 365. So this will be total 1 by 50 into 365 per year rupees per item per day. This is the cost. C3 is rupees 18. This is already given to you. So optimum size is, so we have to apply 1C model. So 2C3 by C1 RK divided K minus R, substitute the values. So this is the bearing 104642 bearings. After simplification and approximating the value, so we are getting this approximated value. So fine. Now the T star will be this divided by 10,000. So we are getting 10.46 days. यानी एक प्रोडक्शन रन जो है वो 10.46 डेज का रहेगा. So this will be the, now in the next model I am going to discuss the deterministic model with shortages. Fine. Thank you.